We're seeing more and more of our customers coming to us being more focused on their sustainability goals. Luceco have a range of products which will enable the customer to hit these sustainability goals, enable them to fulfil this agenda to hit net zero ambitions. At TH Smith previously they had an environment which was lit really poorly, so they came to us to be able to offer a nice even lit environment and also to be able to control their lighting in different zones and areas, and this is something that we were able to facilitate and help them with.
TH Smith were looking for a complete new lighting proposal, so the first step was to carry out a full lighting audit on site and then had to come back and build that all up in the Relux lighting module. This allowed us then to carry out a complete lighting proposal, reduce energy and reduce lighting fixtures.
Sustainability is important to EH Smith. The old system wasn't energy efficient for us. What we had was about 108 lighting panels, which has now been reduced to 89 panels. We don't use any switches. Light only comes on when you need it. Certainly by the windows, we don't need as much light there, so it's a clever system and it dims when required. That means to us that the lower impact that we have on the environment and the energy usage for us is less, so there is a cost saving overall.
With LED you're already getting 60 to 70% energy savings compared to traditional. With the additional lighting controls you can take that down another 50%, so you can see that the great savings that the customer can enjoy.
Certainly with the outcome of what we've had for the office with the Luceco panels, I'm now looking at going into the warehouse, so definitely I will be asking Luceco to come in and put a design together.
It's great to be able to come out and see our customers use the products that we've supplied in action and seeing it working on live sites. And not just the space but actually the staff being able to enjoy a welcoming, nicely lit environment and also to be able to contribute towards reducing energy consumption. It's great to see. I'm really proud to be part of Luceco and to work for Luceco because we're a company that, on top of having our own sustainability agenda to reduce our energy consumption and to hit our net zero targets, the products we produce also allow us to offer this to our customers, enabling them to hit their target and to reduce their energy consumption. That for me is just a great position to be in.